Okay, just got delivery of my Hydrayne X air blaster. Let's see what it's all about. I got a big compressor here. Gonna see how it compares to that. It's obviously not gonna replace it, but it's an extra thing that's more portable that I can have to blast out dust out of PlayStations and stuff. And my server. This computer. This is what it looks like. Hydrayne. Mini turbo fan. Ooh, feels solid. It looks plasticky, but actually it feels very solid. Okay, definitely more powerful than I thought. Definitely more powerful. So here you have a carrying case, cable and a nozzle, perfect. Let me see how this fits. That's pretty decent actually, I'm surprised. Obviously, compressor slightly more powerful, but this is not bad, really. This is pretty impressive. And that's a big compressor as well. That's a decent size, like this size. And you can see here it's so dusty, all the hard drives there. I have to do this on a regular basis, but then I have to bring the parts over there. Then when I unplug it, because there's a server in there as well. But oh wow. Whew. Yeah, that's impressive. Very impressive. Wow. And that's not even the bottom. The bottom is super dusty, but I can see it's bringing it up. Very powerful. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, I'm impressed. Really nice. Check it out. Hydrayne. Very nice piece of gadget. Yeah, definitely gonna be a well-used tool. Very cool. There's dust everywhere now. I need to hoover it away. It can manipulate the dust all the way in that corner over there. I'm like 2.5 meters away from this corner. Look at that, it's just blasting it. Amazing. Really nice. So now I just turn the computer off. I go rid of the top here. This is gonna be super dusty. Wow. Server's still running. That stays on, obviously. I'm really impressed with this. Super impressed. Look at this. Whoa. Yeah, I need to do this more regular. That's crazy. Absolutely crazy. I recommend it for sure, 100%. This is amazing. Actually, you know what? It's got actually more settings. So here's like the lowest, medium, high. But I think if you press and hold, that's full blast, turbo. So, and here, what I also didn't realize is there's a light. So if I press this button, it's a very bright light. Really decent actually. So, very decent. Didn't know that comes with a light. And USB-C of course, so yeah, universal way of charging. Oh, it's got a SOS light. Love it. Absolutely love it.